Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be going over a very simple PHP function, implode. There's not too much to it, it'll be a really short video. So the implode function returns a string from different elements in an array. So it has two parameters, a separator, which technically is optional, but you're going to want to use it. It specifies what will go between the array elements. Empty string is default, so if you don't use anything, it's just going to be one long jumbled up word. And then the array, which you need because that is what's going to make your string, the elements within your array. Alright, so let's check it out. Actually, leave the echo for right now. Let's create an array. Oops. Really been into this Talking Head song today, so let's use that as our array. Type today. It's Friday. Long week. This must be the place. All right. Okay, so call the implode function. And now we'll pass the first parameter. I'm going to use an empty space because that's what I want separating the array elements. And then the second parameter is going to be our array. Alright, let's run it and see what we get. This must be the place. So, oh yeah, I said this is optional. The first parameter. So if you don't use it, this is what you're going to get. Just one long word. But you can put anything you want in here, I suppose. You can put, for an example, put an asterisk in. There. Separated with an asterisk. Space, asterisk. Yeah, so anything you want. Alright, like I said, it's pretty simple, so very short, quick video. Alright, thank you.